Without a professional recording space, background noise can sometimes be inevitable in your recording. This is where Audacity's noise reduction filter comes in handy because it helps to eliminate sounds like hisses and hums from your audio track. The noise reduction filter cannot remove distinct sounds like a voice or interruption. It is more useful for reducing constant sounds that affect large portions of your track. To use the noise reduction filter, you must first sample a portion of your audio track that has only the noise you want to reduce. This is important, or else the noise removal will sample your entire track. To do that, highlight a portion of your track that only has the noise, and then go to Effect, Noise Reduction. The noise reduction window will pop up. From there, click on the Get Noise Profile button, which will store a sample of the noise in the system. Close the window and click on the Select button, or double-click on the track to select the entire track. Next, reopen the noise reduction window and adjust the settings in Step 2 to remove the background noise. The noise reduction slider specifies the amount of reduction you want. Drag the slider to increase or decrease the amount. You can also adjust the sensitivity and frequency smoothing sliders, but they should generally be kept at their default setting. The result may not be perfect on the first try. Click the preview button to sample a few seconds of your audio to see how it worked, and adjust the noise reduction slider again until you hear your desired result. Once it sounds good, click OK to process the track.